I'd like to kick things off with the person who's in charge of this whole Megillah tonight, Elizabeth Papp Taylor. She is your new Cleveland Hungarian Development Panel President, but she, of course, has been serving as a member for 5 years. But she's taken the reins in June, and she's done a fine job. So please, let us welcome Elizabeth Papp Taylor.
I'm used to it, actually. Thank you. Thank you so very much for being here tonight to celebrate the brilliance of the Hungarian mind. We are celebrating the past Nobel Prize winners in physics and math and chemistry, medicine. There were so many different Nobel Prize winners that were of Hungarian origin throughout the years. But we are also celebrating the present, or the contemporary, brilliance of the Hungarian mind, which is exemplified by Ernő Rubik, who is an architect and who at the age of 29, which was 40 years ago, created the Rubik's Cube, which is a mathematical and architectural marvel. These Hungarians of science are often referred to as the Martians of Budapest. And with your presence here tonight, you are providing the capital and the encouragement for the future Rubiks of the world. Thank you for coming.